Alright, let's set up your web page and funnel so you can start getting clients. This is gonna be an exciting one. So you come to the website mariojuri.com/freebies. Make sure that you put HTTPS so you don't get redirected somewhere else. www.mariojuri.com/freebies, like this, which will take you here to this website. Or you can also download a PDF with these exact steps below in the resources. Below this video there is a link, so you can download it right now. It looks like this PDF with the exact same steps, so just download it and then follow the steps. So the first step is start your free 14-day ClickFunnels trial. So you click the link, which will take you to ClickFunnels website, and you press the button. You put your first name, right? So let's put Mario Demo gmail.com, right? And then you follow the instructions. So it is completely for free for 14 days, and then it's $97 a month afterwards. And it's pretty easy to cancel with just a couple clicks. And guys, I've tried WordPress, weeks, and I was making plugins, and when plugins were getting updates, everything were just breaking down, and it was just nightmare. So you're getting what you really get what you pay for. And it's like ClickFunnels is so powerful. When you start using it, you will realize that you except for autoresponder, you don't need. It's the only tool that you need to build a multi-million-dollar online business. So it's totally worth it. Select this plan. It's cheaper for you to get started, and yeah, you just follow the instructions. And I will not do it here to make this process faster. And let's skip to the members area of ClickFunnels after you register. All right, when you register, you come to members area, and guys, remember, it takes only one client, which will pay you $2,000, which is easily done if you will follow my process. It will pay for ClickFunnels fees for the whole year, right? So, and it will also keep you accountable, because once you invest money in something, you will be pushed by to bring results, to get those clients. All right, so it works perfectly. It will not procrastinate, which is the biggest factor why most people fail. So trust me on this. ClickFunnels is like the most cutting edge powerful tool that you can get. And when you come to the members area, you want to first come to the account settings, and also you want to come here to domains, and then you want to, don't overcomplicate this. All right, you want to register a domain. You will get a free domain if it is your first one in ClickFunnels. So you just put your first and last name, just like I did. Don't overcomplicate it. Add new domain, and choose domain, register new domain, and put your first and last name. And all right, don't waste time like most people do on creating perfect name. It's not really that important. And then after you do this, you want to follow the second step, which is claim your free funnels. So the first one is web page funnel. So you just click this, and ClickFunnels is powerful because it will allow you to share funnels. So these are my funnels that you can directly get to your account. So you just press add the funnel. I'm not going to do that because I already have it. So After you press it, you will have your funnel right here. And then what you want to do, you want to, you have, by the way, you have everything. Story, you just want to adjust it to your story, and to your information, your contact page, your privacy policy, terms of service, earnings disclaimer. So these are all necessary for you. You have an obligation to have these. So you want to adjust them to, you want to change your name, and so it fits to your offer and what you're trying to do. And then you want to come here and make sure that you put here your domain, right? The one that you just registered. And then you basically, you want to edit your funnels, your web page funnel, by clicking here, which will take you right here to the editor. And you want to add your photo, right? And just adjust this to your needs, that it fits your offer. And then you want to, it's ClickFunnels is, it's drag and drop editor. So you can drag it and move it right here, for example, or right back on top. Right, you can change picture like this. So you just play, you will learn to use it very quickly. And you want to edit all of the steps of the funnel. You want to put your story and contact page, right? And yeah, and then you want to, when you have everything edited, then you want to add the second funnel, which is client generating machine, right? So again, you want to add the funnel, and then when you press it, when you add your funnel, you will have it right here. And again, you want to do the same. Just adjust this to your offer and what you are trying to do. Make sure that you again edit your links, you put your domain here, and then just like the one before, you want to edit it, alright? So it fits your niche and what you're trying to do. And we will talk about this funnel in the next video in more in depth. And for now, I just want to edit it and learn to use the software, become familiar with it. Alright? And now you want to follow the third step, which is join our free Facebook group if you haven't done so yet. Alright, so you can get support whenever you need it. So you just click the link, it will take you to our Facebook group. You just join and I will accept you. And yeah, don't do stupid things like direct or non-direct promotions. Just ask questions what you need to help with, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Alright, so just please don't spam in there. And then the fourth step is you download your free blueprint to become a highly paid consultant. Alright, so get this. It's a great blueprint. You have lots of information in there. Put your name, email, and you will claim your blueprint right here, which is, it has 13 steps of powerful lessons, so that will help you as well. You can also watch free training. So that's fourth step. and then you want to the last step is the step number 5 is you can subscribe to our YouTube family for a chance to win giveaways worth over $1,000. So I regularly twice a week put up videos on YouTube that will bring tremendous amount of value to you. So you just click it and subscribe to YouTube, and as simply as this. All right. So guys, I hope that you were able to follow these easy steps, and I will see you on another video. All right.